Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem. And here we have x plus y equals to 10 and x times of y is also equals to 10. And we solve this problem for the values of x and y. So here we call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2. So that here we first focus on equation number 1, and from equation number 1 implies that we move this x to the right hand side and we have y is equals to 10 minus x, and we call this is equation number 3. So here we substitute this value of y in equation number 2, and here we just write put in equation number 2 we get. So when we put this value of y in 2, then we obtain here 10 minus x because into y. Okay, so because we substitute the value of y here, so y is 10 minus x. So here you have this is our x times of 10 minus x equals to 10. And now here we need to simplify this term, and we multiply this x on both of these terms, and it will be written as 10x minus x square equals to 10. So here we need to rearrange the terms, and we move these two terms to the right hand side, and it will be written as x square minus 10x and plus 10 equals to 0. So this equation will becomes quadratic in x variable, so that here we use the quadratic formula in order to solve this equation. So that now first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 10, and c equals to plus 10. So that here we substitute. So now we use here, we first write the quadratic formula. So you know about this quadratic formula. It is written as x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So this is the our quadratic formula. And now the time to substitute the values of a, b and c here. So we substitute the above a, b and c values here, and it will be written as minus times of minus 10 plus minus square root of b square. So b is minus 10 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 10, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and our a is also 1. So here we need a little bit simplification, and we have this minus times of minus becomes plus 10 plus minus square root of minus 10 square, and we know that the square of minus 10 becomes 100, and this is 4 times of 10 becomes 40, and this whole divided by 2 times of 1 becomes 2. And here you see that 100 minus 40 is equals to 60. So we rearrange this term as 10 plus minus square root of 60 divided by 2. So now here we need to simplify this expression, and here we have x is equals to 10 plus minus, we have this is 60, and we write it as 15 times of 4. We know that 15 times of 4 becomes 60, and here we just separate the square root on both of these terms, and it will be written as 10 plus minus square root of 50 into square root of 4 divided by 2. And here we know that x is equals to 10 plus minus, we know that the square root of 4 becomes 2 into square root of 50 divided by 2. And now here we take common 2 from the upsides, and it will be written as 2 times of 5 plus minus square root of 15 divided by 2. And you see here this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and finally we have the value of x is equals to 5 plus minus square root of 15. So these are the two real values of x. And now in the next step here, we just use these two values of x and we find the corresponding values of y. So that here we first separate these two values, and here we write the positive value, it is 5 plus square root of 15, and here we write the negative value, it is 5 minus square root of 15. So because here we need to find the value of y, so here we copy down our equation number 3, or our equation number 3 is implies that y equals to 10 minus x. So this is our equation number 3, and now we put the both of the above values of x in this equation and we get the corresponding values of y. So here first we substitute this value here and it will be written as y equals to 10 minus x, and the value of x is 5 plus square root of 15. Similarly, in this case we have y equals to 10 minus x, and the value of x in this case is 5 minus square root of 15. And now in the next step, here we just multiply this minus sign on both of these terms and it will be written as 10 minus 5 minus square root of 15, and here we simplify this term and we get the value of y equals to 10 minus 5 becomes 5 minus square root of 15. So this is the value of y. And now here further we solve this case, and in this case we have y equals to, now we multiply first this minus sign on both of these terms and it will be written as 10 minus 5 plus square root of 15, and here you get the value of y equals to 10 minus 5 becomes 5, and this is our plus square root of 15. So this is the value of y in this case. So here we get two values of x and two values of y, so that we have two solutions of this question. So we write both of these solutions. So first we have the value of x, y is, so when we put the value of x is 5 plus square root of 15. So according to this value of x, we get the value of y is 5 plus square root of 15. This is the value of x, and we get the value of y is 5 minus square root of 15. And similarly, in second case we have xy equals to, so the second value of x is 5 minus square root of 15, and the corresponding value of y is 5 plus square root of 15. So these are the two solutions of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting